Seroquel side effects, 3 key risks and what it's used for. Before you or a loved one considers Seroquel, you must know these 3 critical risks. Ignoring them could have serious health consequences. Today we're cutting through the noise to discuss quetiapine, widely known as Seroquel. It's a powerful medication used for serious conditions like bipolar disorder and schizophrenia, often making a real difference. But like any strong tool, it comes with significant trade-offs. We'll break down what Seroquel is used for and then, most importantly, uncover 3 key risks everyone needs to be aware of. First, what is Seroquel for? It's an antipsychotic medication. Doctors prescribe it mainly for schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, both manic and depressive episodes, and sometimes even as an add-on for major depressive disorder. It works by balancing certain chemicals in your brain, helping to stabilize mood and reduce hallucinations or confused thinking. For many, it's a lifeline, bringing much-needed stability. Now, let's get to the crucial risks. The first major concern is metabolic changes. Seroquel can cause significant weight gain, sometimes quite rapidly. This isn't just about appearance, it can lead to higher blood sugar, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, and elevated cholesterol levels, which are bad for your heart. These aren't minor issues, they require careful monitoring. Secondly, many people experience severe drowsiness and dizziness, especially when first starting or increasing the dose. This can affect daily activities, make driving dangerous, and increase the risk of falls, particularly for older individuals. Lastly, we need to talk about movement disorders. Over time, some people can develop involuntary movements like tremors or facial tics, a condition called tardive dyskinesia, which can be irreversible. Understanding these risks is not about fear-mongering, but about informed decision-making. Always discuss these potential side effects thoroughly with your doctor. For more essential insights into mental health medications, click the video on your screen right now.